Welcome to Tips Now for ServiceNow. We are now on the ServiceNow dashboard and ready to begin. In this tutorial, we will create a business rule called Business Rule Demo that runs on the incident table. Business rules are server-side scripts that run automatically when a record is inserted, updated, deleted, or queried. They are one of the most powerful tools in ServiceNow. Use them to enforce data integrity, automate field updates, send notifications, or integrate with external systems, without users having to do anything manually. To get here, open the left navigation, expand System Definition, and click Business Rules. The new Business Rule form opens. We will fill the name, pick the table this rule applies to, and tick the Insert action. First we click into the name field and type, Business Rule Demo. Next we click the table drop-down and pick Incident. Now we tick Insert so this rule fires every time a new incident record is created. You could also tick Update, Delete, or Query. With Name, Table, and Insert set, we click Submit to save the business rule. The business rule has been created on the incident table. From here you would add a script that runs every time a matching record is processed, but that is a topic for another video. Thank you for watching Tips Now for ServiceNow.